your girl Kayla Lashae, and I am super excited about today's video. It is very gloomy outside, so if it's kind of dark in my room, that is why. But we have a Shein home products video, and I always find so many amazing things in that home slash like gadget beauty section, things that I need that I didn't know that I needed. So we're gonna get into an unboxing and first impressions in this video. So thank you so much to Shein for collaborating with me and sponsoring today's vlog. And guess what? Shein summer sale starts right now, so you can save money and live in style. They have so many hidden gems, like I said, on Shein at such great prices. And I also have a coupon code as well, so I'm gonna put that in the description box below, along with all the links to everything that I have here. I have like so much cool stuff, y'all. I can't wait to get into it. Shein just offers so many great styles at amazing prices. So the first thing that I saw and came across on the Shein like home section is this universal adjustable stand. Essentially, it's just a stand that I could use for my iPad or my iPhone if ever I just need to prop it up while I like to eat and watch something on my tablet or something. I can have that without my phone like continuously falling on the surface. So we're gonna try this out. I need to go get scissors though. All right, so let's see. It's supposed to have like adjustments as well. I just feel like everybody needs this, even if you're like sitting at your vanity and you want to like watch something or listen to a podcast. It's just nice to have somewhere to set your phone on. Okay, yeah, this is definitely wide enough for an iPad, not just like your phone. So here's my phone, it's charging right now. You could also use it as like a charging stand like this, and like I said, it's adjustable as well. I really do like this. I got the white one, and I think this is definitely gonna come in clutch, even if you're like in the bubble bath. I don't know why I thought about this. You have like a bath tray, getting one of these to set on top where you can rest your tablet while you Netflix and chill. Super cute. Okay, now this one was on like the beauty section. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my eyebrows need a prayer. So I saw this like grooming set. I like that it came with two different pieces. I use these little mini razors all the time. Not really for my eyebrows, but to shave my mustache. I swear that thing grows back like every other day. So these are really great, and I needed a replacement one, and I love the color, and it comes with a cover. And then these like grooming scissors. If you have really long brow hairs, you can go in and trim them. You could also use this to trim in between and like around your brows, but I'm trying to grow my eyebrows out, so I just kind of let them do their own thing. But I really got this kit for this little mini razor. Next, I got this. This is like a little sweat belt. I thought this would be really cool to add to my cardio. I need to start doing cardio again, you guys. If you keep up with me on my fitness channel, you know that I don't do cardio, but I really want to get into doing this Stairmaster again. That thing will have you dripping. It is such a tedious workout. Like, I love it, but I hate it. So I think on those like days when I just want to do like active rest and still move my body, something like this would be really cool. I saw this on Shein, very affordable. It has two different Velcro pieces so that you have a tighter fit with this outer strap, and it's stretchy, so you can kind of adjust it to be perfect for you. And I used to have a sweat belt, but I lost it, or maybe I got rid of it, I don't really know, but now I wanted another one, so we got another one. And I'll show you guys here on the screen how to put this on. And I think and I believe this did come in a couple different sizes. Yeah, it definitely did, so you can pick the right one for you. I got mine in a size medium, and they had a sizing chart. This looks like another iPhone stand because a girl needs options. This one is super sleek. It's all metal. So this one definitely bigger for a tablet like an iPad or something like that. This one for your phone. I don't know, I just feel like these just come in clutch, and you can have it with your charger. So if you want to use this by your bedside table, then it's perfect. And then I don't have one of those charging pads. I probably should get one of those. But this I just think is super cute, and it's more aesthetic if you want to display this on like your vanity or like your desk area. So I love this, and I like that I have one for my iPad, one for my phone. Next up, I actually got this as a gift, like a Father's Day gift, but I'm just now getting around to opening it. It is a smart electric shaver. I don't know if these are the same thing as a fabric shaver. Let me know in the comments below. They look the same to me, but I got this as a gift, and I'm going to my dad's today, so I'm going to bring this to him. I don't want to like use it and stuff. Ooh, it's sleek. I thought this would be good for like on the go travel. You know, you want something portable and something easy to use, something that's not going to take up a whole lot of space. So if you need a like affordable quick gift for somebody, maybe even for Christmas, you can go ahead and get it now during the Shein sale. This will be a good gift to get somebody that like might be useful, that they might not want to buy themselves, type of thing. Grandpa, uncle, brother, boyfriend, whatever. So it comes with the electric shaver, and it has some nice weight to it. It's very, very nice. And then in here, like I said, I don't want to like ruin it because it's a gift. I'm assuming it's like the charger. Oh wow, this is so nice. Ooh. Okay. It comes with its own velvet pouch and then a USB cord to charge the device. So you definitely need your own brick because it doesn't have one of those. And I really like the packaging of this. Like I said, it'd be like a really cute gift idea, birthday gift, whatever. As a content creator, guess what? They have so many cool lights, like video lighting setups. They have tripods, they have selfie sticks. I got another one of these LED video lights. I'm actually using one right now, and I only have one. It's essentially like a portable mini softbox light that charges with a USB port, and I love it. Like, it lights up my videos perfectly, even on such a gloomy day. So I thought it would be nice to have a second one to put on the opposite side, because you can see how there's kind of shadows over here. My light is right here, so this side of my face is more lit up. So I thought this would be perfect for me, and I found it on the site. It looks pretty similar. This one does take batteries, and you can hook it up to accessories like tripods right here on this side. So this one actually came with a tripod, a mini tabletop one. So if you're traveling, you are a TikToker or whatever, you need some lighting on the go, this is definitely something that you can just travel with and take it with you. Even if you want to do your makeup, having something like this, like proper lighting, makes a difference, because hotels sometimes be playing you. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this isn't the best quality, but it will do. It does take batteries, like I said. The one I have right now I think is a little bit better, just because you can charge it in like the wall with a USB port, and most of us already have those bricks and stuff. So yeah, there's this. And guess what? They have more lighting, you guys. I got some bigger LED lights just to kind of play around with and see what works for me. I think these are definitely going to come in handy, and they had so many options on Shein. Like, just type in video lighting, it'll all come up, and you can just pick what's best. So this one is like a rectangular fill light. Again, if I wanted to get into other content, like more sit down style videos to really light up a larger space, this would be perfect. And it does come with a stand as well. So I just want to, like, where did my scissors go? I just want to open this, show you guys. Even if you wanted to like set up to take photos, and the lighting wherever you are isn't the best. Oh, this is a nice stand. It's giving Amazon. I'm telling you, Shein is becoming the new Amazon, okay? So yeah, it has different adjustment levels. I film all my videos on a vlogging camera, the Canon G7X Mark III. It works amazing, and I think it works amazing as well with lighting, it really does make a difference. I also use a mic as well, so that really elevates the audio versus just using the mic that's on the body of the camera. It's not the best when you compare the two together, so having things like proper lighting and good audio can really elevate the quality of your content. I'm just going to show you guys what comes in the box so you guys know, just as a first impression. So we have an extra attachment to the lighting stand. This one does come with a USB attachment, which I love. Anything that is rechargeable. Again, things that don't necessarily require batteries. It's just more convenient and easier to use. And it does have a remote attached to the cord, so super easy, self-explanatory, doesn't really come with directions or anything like that. And then there is a little port here on the bottom to attach it to the stand, and obviously it's much larger of a lighting system compared to what I'm using right now. So can you imagine the content? Set this right behind the camera, it's gonna be all lit up. Not me all close to the vlog. This is the lowest setting, you guys, and it looks amazing. It's definitely more concentrated versus the ring light was very diffused, I guess you could say, because it was elevating all around, but this is like directly lighting up the back of the camera, and that's no light. I'm sorry, what? This is, I don't like this like bluey shade, this light right here, this the one, and it goes really bright. Takes a second for my vlog to adjust, but what the heck, I've been missing out. I've always wanted to get my hands on a ring light, and guess what, Shein has so many ring lights, so many different sizes and options, different color lights as well. They have tabletop ones, portable ones. I just wanted a standard ring light because I just feel like it's even lighting all the way around whatever you are focusing on. So this one also comes with its own stand, similar to the last light, and the same type of like system where you just plug it in with a USB, and I love that. I think this is going to be really nice too, just to have options depending on what I'm filming for that day. So I do want to just do a quick unboxing of this. So here's the ring light, here's the cord with the remote. This one also comes with attachments so that you can use your iPhone if you want to do TikToks and stuff like that, IG reel content, stuff like that. I just think is really nice. Yeah, I definitely, first of all, I like this setting the best. And I'm just holding you guys up because I'm already on my current setup, but this is going to be such a nice setup, even if I'm just like vlogging really quick. Yeah, this is it. It's just much bigger, and I like that it has a stand for the floor versus what I'm using currently. This is what I was using previously to light up the vlog. Nothing fancy, but gets the job done. So now it's nice to have like options. I feel like I'm glowing. Yeah, I love this. Oh my god. Okay, and this is without light. Like, come on, you can't tell me that doesn't look good. Yes, and the stand looks very similar to the last lighting that I just unboxed for you guys. So I'm really excited now. I have lots of different options, really affordable pieces that you can find. And again, there's like literally so many different types of lighting for content. Just search on there and you will find things that are literally best for your style, whether it's for Instagram content, like I said, TikTok content, YouTube content, or you're just looking for lighting just to travel with to, again, help you when it comes to applying your makeup products and stuff like that. So that is pretty much everything that I have here from Shein and like their gadgets and just unboxing and reviewing their home products for the first time. I think a lot of my favorites honestly have to be the lighting. I think it's so my style. It's something that I'm going to use all the time, and again, like the prices were just so good, and it's really going to help me and elevate the content that I have across 3 different YouTube channels and like my Instagram content as well. Wow, I'm super tan right now. Oh my god. So definitely check out the description box below and be sure to use the coupon code that Shein was so nice enough to provide for you guys. Again, all that will be in the description. So thumbs up if you guys enjoy videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next vlog very soon. Bye guys!